later, guys.
Can you feel your nose? So we took a weekend trip. We're actually in New Hampshire. We're here to see the foliage, and we're currently glamping for the first time.
My phone may or may not be cold.
Your phone?
Okay, help me with this.
I'm the only one with phone service too, actually, at the moment.
Oh, it's my hair. Not
Verizon. But it's currently 41 degrees. It's not too bad.
Phone restarted.
We thought it would be colder. We prepared for 30-degree weather, so we're thankful. We're waiting for our food to be made. Are you cold?
So cold. Ice cold. You cold? No. Sure?
You having fun? You said no, you're not sure? You want more socks?
Okay.
Okay, let's check it out. What you drinking? Ben looks like he belongs there.
Right.
This is his bed. It's currently 37 degrees out here. We have about 4 layers on. There is a heater that they provide in the, whatever you want to call this. Beautiful morning, and we're live. Alright, so day one, night one of our Hutopia experience. How did you sleep?
Well, except for I had nightmares about my qualifying exams.
Okay, whatever. How are you temperature-wise?
Cold.
How many layers did we have on? I had about 4. What did you have?
It was 4 to 5 to 6.
Alright, so yeah. We stayed kind of warm. We were pretty warm. Circumstance-wise, we kept the heater on in the main area right now where we're standing. We're just tidying up and we're about to leave and go see some mountains. Hopefully catch some good drone footage. Just in case you're wondering what we're boiling. Some good, quick spiced apple cider. All you have to do is add water. And pretty good. You don't have to worry about tea bag, sugar, or anything. Quick and easy. Put in a pot, add water, and boil. Contigo. Just keep hot for about 8 hours. It's great.
That was a good moment. You wanna come out here?
No.
Oh, I put the wooden thing so you don't have to lock it.
Just burnt myself.
Silly picture.
Alright, so we're about to leave after we stayed the night at Hutopia. It was our first time coming here, so we didn't know really what to expect, but it was overall not bad. It was a good experience. I'll definitely come back and actually probably next time use the cabins just to see how the difference of experiences is. But it was great. There's a lot of different locations and states they have these at, and we'll definitely be back. So I'll leave a link in the description of where we actually went this time, and also share like their main sites so that you can see all the other locations they have at these different destinations. So thank you so much, Hutopia, and I'll be back. Alright, so fun fact, when you're in the mountains, there's lots of black bears. Even though they're kind of harmless, they can still harm people. So you always have to keep your trash locked and far away from where you're staying. So even here at Hutopia, you have to put your trash close to the entrance where it's far away from a lot of people. So here's our car. I already put the trash in. And here's the trash, and they secure it with a good old carabiner right there. So yeah, fun fact in case you didn't know.